I'm taking my wig.
Hello all my inspirations and welcome to Inspirational by Marie. Today we've got a fun challenge. We're going to be doing the Samyang 2x spicy chicken challenge. As you can see, I have my dear friend with me.
Hey guys, my name's Kenny.
Yeah guys, so you might have seen Kenny before. She was in one of my videos some time ago when we did a Turkey edition when we visited Turkey. So yeah guys, we're gonna get into this. Alright, so the rules are we've got 10 minutes to see how much of the chicken we can eat without drinking water. Alright, so we're gonna put the timer on and we're gonna go for it. So Kenny's gonna put the timer on. I'm gonna start putting the sauce on the chicken wings, and then we're gonna start. I'll tell Kenny when to start it. So I'm just gonna smother all this on the chicken and mix it. Guys, I don't know. How do you...
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. It's so spicy and peppery. Okay.
Oh
gosh.
wow, I can actually smell the heat. Alright, I think is that enough? Yeah. Alright, that's
Marie's drenched the chicken.
okay.
Alright then. Oh my gosh. This is
So
hot.
I'm mixing it in. You guys can see anyway.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm scared, but I don't know. I've always wanted to do like a spicy challenge because, let me give you a bit of a background. I am a pepper eater. If you know me, Kenny can vouch and tell you that I am always eating pepper. I really can't eat anything without pepper in it. Whenever I'm making soup or stew, I'm adding like 8 Scotch bonnets, literally, and plus. So,
oh my gosh, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, Marie. The wings look hot.
Hold on, wait, guys. Let me show you.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So that's drenched, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So, like I said, we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. We're going to see... My heart is
Let me
beating.
pull up my sleeve for this one.
We're going to see... We've got... Okay, so we do have water here, but like I said, it's down to whoever drinks it first. The person who drinks it first is the one that is the loser. The elf, the loser. However, we're going to see how this goes. Alright, Kenny.
Okay, are you ready?
Start the timer, Kenny.
Alright.
Alright.
This is the timer.
You started, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm.
Tastes nice.
It's so nice.
You are nice. Mmm. Wow, but it's nice.
Really nice, but my tongue.
Guys, it's nice. Oh god.
Mmm.
No, I like it.
No, Marie seasoned these bad boy.
Mmm.
These are tasty.
Guys, so I've seasoned the chicken before. I like it.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, the bone is hitting now.
I like it. Guys, this is nice.
Fish bangs. Mmm. My tongue is burning, Marie. Is yours?
Yeah, but
It's like it's nice at the same time.
you got tissue. Guys, I actually like it.
Me too.
Mm-mm.
No.
Don't let it fit in your, the sauce fit in your eye.
I'm not really a pepper eater, but
I think we're doing alright.
I know. But only 8 minutes. Jeez. Okay, it's kicking in now.
I like the flat wings. Can you like?
The legs.
But we're eating whatever we're eating. Mmm.
The sauce is actually nice.
This is bad.
It's got like a kind of sweet taste, but it's peppery.
Mmm. We're gonna see how many. Alright.
The more you have. I'm trying to blow, blow my tongue.
It's on my lips. That's the worst.
Mm.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Try not to cave in.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? It's creeping up.
Yeah. Even my nose is about to kick in.
My lip.
Is it on your lip? Oh gosh. I must burn. Oh my gosh. The more you eat, the more the pepper.
Hey! Hey! No, now I get it.
Even my body's getting hot.
No, this is serious still. How come it's not going on it?
My tip of my tongue. But I'm blowing my tongue. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drink water. I'm not going to though. Alright. Got 5 minutes. Did your nose feel runny?
No, my smell it.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna count and see who at the moment. I don't really.
Woo. Woo.
Yeah.
This is no joke. Not for the faint-hearted. My mouth is on fire now. Woo.
My lip.
Woo. It's like you want to eat more because the wings are so nice, but it's burning.
Guys, you notice I stopped talking, huh? My lips are burning. Wow. Wow.
My.
My lips. So it's burning now. Okay.
My bottom lip is on fire.
How long you got there?
4. We can do this. I even feel like I'm gonna cry. Eyes are getting a bit watery now. Alright.
Okay, yeah. Oh. Wow. Something is happening.
Back of my throat now is getting hot. Okay. Marie, we're almost there.
This is a challenge. You're telling me what we're Nah.
Alright.
Guys, that just goes to show how much we're actually team. We're a team, really.
Oh
We're
my
doing a
gosh.
challenge today.
Alright. I need to drink now.
No lie.
I need to drink. Okay. It's too much now.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
The way I'm looking at my water.
The hair doesn't make it easier. Yeah, I want to drink as well, but how many minutes? 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 50 seconds, guys.
Jeez.
Man.
Oh my gosh.
And guys, this sauce is so watery. It's like liquid lava.
Alright, I have to.
Kenny! Is your body shaking?
A little bit.
2 more minutes, guys.
My lips, I couldn't do it.
For the record, guys.
My nose is even running. Oh my gosh. Let me get some tissue.
You thought better?
I need more water.
Guys, Kenny gave in.
I could have did it, but the burn, it got to the back of the throat and I thought, Look at Marie. 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Stop the timer, please. Stop the timer. Got 1 minute and 5 seconds left, guys.
Some tissue. Ooh.
I can't think.
Ooh. No. The kicking. It kicks in after.
Wow. Hot, but I've had hotter. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Alright, my nose is burning. Okay, I need more tissue. My nose is running. Alright, guys.
After.
Clean and clear. See this one?
Oh my gosh.
So, guys. Woo!
Marie won.
So, guys, I'm trying to. I want to talk. But,
It's still hot.
as you can see. We have a clear winner. But Kenny did a great job. Alright guys, I'm going in for the water now because I'm done. So we completed this in
9 minutes basically. Because we still have a 1 minute 5 seconds. Not bad.
I'm not gonna lie, guys, and I'm not. Let me not lie to you, yeah. I don't think it was that hard. I feel like I've actually had more heat in my mouth before. It is hot. Yeah, like. I don't know, man. It's
My
hot,
whole
man.
lips right now is on fire. It's actually on fire. Oh my gosh.
But it actually tastes nice though.
Yeah. It's like you want more and more and more.
Like, it's nice. It's got an addictive taste. But at the same time, it does. I think when we were eating at the beginning, it was like, okay, this is nice. But it does. The more you eat, the hotter everything gets.
Yeah.
Literally. But I enjoyed it. We're gonna be doing more challenges, guys. Be sure to check out, like I said, our turkey edition question and answer. You can see a bit more about my friend. Yeah, it is a bit. It's still in there.
I can't even speak right now.
So my mum, she was like, I'm not gonna be in the same room when you're doing this. I don't want to hear about it. I'm going out. Don't involve me in this challenge. But
Oh my gosh.
we're still alright.
We made it.
We made it, guys. So until next time, guys, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Be inspired, be encouraged, and be blessed. We love you.
Thank you guys for having me.
And thank you for coming on, Kenny. She's been great today. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.